In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close Teachable School. If you've decided it's time to shut down your Teachable site for good, I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what to expect at each stage, and share a few important considerations so you can proceed with confidence. Before we begin, a quick heads up. This action is permanent. Once your school is deleted, your content, student data, and settings can't be recovered. If you need any records, such as course materials, student lists, or financial reports, download and save them now. It's also a good idea to let your team and learners know what's happening so there are no surprises. To start, make sure you're signed in as the primary owner of the school. Only the primary owner has permission to close the school, so if you're using another role, you won't see the option. Log into your Teachable admin dashboard with the primary owner account. From the admin dashboard, look to the left-hand side and open Settings. Inside Settings, select General and then choose the Website section. This is where Teachable keeps options related to your school's site configuration, including the permanent deletion control. On the website page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll find the option labeled Delete School. Click that button. Teachable will open a confirmation window designed to prevent accidental deletions, and this is where you need to slow down and be precise. In the confirmation pop-up, you'll be asked to type your school's URL exactly as it appears. This is an extra safeguard, so double-check every character before you proceed. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or changes in formatting. If the URL doesn't match exactly, the system won't allow the deletion. Once you've entered the URL correctly, click Delete School again to confirm. Teachable will process the request, and your school will be permanently removed. You'll lose access to the admin dashboard for that school, your site will no longer be reachable, and your content will no longer be available through Teachable. If you don't see the Delete School option, verify that you're logged in as the primary owner. Also, ensure you've saved anything you might need later, because this cannot be undone. That's it. You've learned how to permanently close a Teachable school. Log in as the primary owner, go to Settings, then General, then Website, scroll to the bottom, click Delete School, confirm by typing your exact school URL, and click Delete School once more to finalize the removal.